Welcome to Mount Vernon, Iowa. Perched on a hilltop in eastern Iowa, Mount Vernon is a place where history, community, and small-town charm come together in perfect balance. From the skies, you'll see a town rich in tradition and surrounded by nature's beauty, a gem that proudly blends the past and the present. Our story begins here, at Cornell College. Cornell is more than a landmark. It's the heart of Mount Vernon. Founded in 1853, it's one of only 2 college campuses in the United States listed entirely on the National Register of Historic Places. Home to inspiring students from across the country, Cornell's campus is alive with creativity, music, and learning that echo through its historic limestone buildings. But Mount Vernon's roots run even deeper. In the late 1830s, settlers traveled along Iowa's first major road, the Military Road, linking Dubuque to Iowa City. This path wound over a steep ridge where travelers paused to rest, and from that resting point, a community was born. The first settlement was called Pinhook, later renamed Mount Vernon, to honor George Washington's Virginia home. By 1869, it was officially incorporated as a city. Today, that same hilltop is alive with local energy. Mount Vernon's historic Uptown district is packed with boutique shops, artisan studios, and restaurants that define the town's personality. Spend a day exploring places like Lincoln Wine Bar with its wood-fired pizza, Big's BBQ Brewpub for Southern-style smokehouse comfort, or Little Scratch Coffee Roasters and Fuel Art and Espresso for handcrafted coffees roasted right in town. Nearby, you'll find antiques at Vintage 1891, unique gifts at the local, and local art at Mount Vernon Creates, each capturing a piece of what makes this community so special. For nature lovers, Mount Vernon is surrounded by natural beauty. Only minutes away lies Palisades-Kepler State Park, known for its wooded cliffs, scenic overlooks, and trails along the Cedar River. Closer to town, Nature Park offers quiet trails, disc golf, and open spaces for family outings. Local farms like Cruel Farms and Bass Family Farms add a touch of rustic charm, especially in fall when pumpkins and produce bring the community together. Mount Vernon is built around education and pride in its youth. The Mount Vernon community. School district includes Washington Elementary, Mount Vernon Middle School, and Mount Vernon High School, one of the most respected in Iowa, known for its excellence in academics, arts, and athletics. The district's Mustangs have earned multiple state championships across baseball, volleyball, and track, a point of pride for residents young and old. Life here strikes a rare balance between small-town warmth and modern comfort. As of 2025, Mount Vernon's population sits around 4,560 residents, with a median household income just above $106,000 and a strong sense of community involvement. The real estate market remains steady, with homes ranging from classic Victorian charmers near downtown to new builds overlooking open fields. The average home value is roughly $337,000, making it one of eastern Iowa's most desirable small towns to call home. Mount Vernon isn't just a stop along the road anymore, it's a destination. Where others see a small dot on the map, locals see a thriving community full of character, surrounded by nature, and steeped in history.